Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence (AI) is a rapidly evolving field that seeks to develop machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This technology has been an integral part of various industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. In this essay, we will explore the history, current state, applications, benefits, challenges, and potential future of artificial intelligence. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create intelligent machines capable of learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. The concept of AI dates back to ancient times, but it wasn't until the mid-20th century that significant progress was made. Historical development of AI. The term artificial intelligence was coined in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference, marking the formal beginning of AI as a field of study. Early AI research focused on symbolic reasoning and problem solving using logical rules. However, progress was slow due to limitations in computing power and data availability. AI winter and revival. The field of AI experienced several periods known as AI winters, characterized by decreased funding and interest due to unmet expectations. However, the field was revived in the 21st century thanks to advancements in machine learning and access to vast amounts of data. Machine learning, the driving force. Machine learning is a subset of AI that has propelled significant advancements in the field. It involves training algorithms to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning are popular machine learning approaches. Deep learning, a game changer. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that utilizes neural networks with multiple layers to process complex data. This technique has revolutionized AI applications such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous systems. Applications across industries. AI has found widespread applications across diverse industries. In healthcare, it aids in medical imaging analysis and drug discovery. In finance, AI is used for fraud detection and algorithmic trading. In transportation, it powers self-driving cars and optimizes traffic management. Benefits of AI. AI brings numerous benefits, including increased efficiency and productivity, better decision-making, personalized user experiences, and improved safety in hazardous environments. It has the potential to revolutionize industries and positively impact society. Ethical considerations and bias in AI. As AI becomes more pervasive, ethical concerns arise. Issues related to data privacy, bias in AI algorithms, and the impact of automation on jobs demand careful consideration to ensure responsible AI deployment. Challenges in AI development. Despite its potential, AI faces significant challenges. These include the lack of transparency in complex AI models, data security, and privacy concerns, the risk of AI-driven unemployment and potential misuse of AI technology. The future of AI. The future of AI is both promising and uncertain. Advancements in quantum computing, AI human collaboration, and AI explainability will shape the trajectory of AI development. It is essential to strike a balance between innovation and regulation to harness AI's full potential while addressing societal concerns.
Conclusion. In conclusion, artificial intelligence has come a long way from its early inception, and its impact on society and various industries is undeniable.
As the field continues to evolve, it is crucial to approach AI development responsibly and ethically, ensuring that it benefits humanity while mitigating potential risks.